Today's society often equates bigger and louder with better. One problem with this mindset is that people carry it over into their expectations about God. They expect a loud voice from heaven or an over-the-top miracle to answer their prayers. God can do both of these things, but more often than not, his leading is quiet. Centuries ago, a man named Elijah discovered this. He assumed God's voice was in the wind that broke rocks or in earthquakes and fires. But the only time he heard God speak was in a still, small voice. In this week's More Than a Minute email, I'll share with you 3 ways you can hear God's voice today. Just sign up at wintersminute.com. Thanks for watching.